Hey, this is Jackie with Tomball Digital Marketing, and I just wanted to shoot you guys over a quick little video showing you some tips and tricks that y'all could do that would help increase business and get more leads via your website. So I have you guys pulled up and going through everything. The layout of the site looks really good. I would suggest adding some more pictures on here, but the biggest thing really would be to add some content, just about information about your business, service areas that you're in, and within the content you're going to want to add the keywords that you want to be found for, and that's really going to help broaden your audience. So I input you guys into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and nothing's really pulling up for the data. So I'm not sure if you guys are a newer site or what's going on with that, but nothing's really coming up. But I will show you what your competition's doing and what I would suggest that you guys do that would help you to start outrank them. So when Googling roofing Houston, what pops up first are the ads, and that's definitely something you guys could do to bring in quick leads. And you just want to make sure that you do it in a way that it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, but it does bring in leads. Then we come into the Google Map Pack and the Google My Business pages. I would definitely suggest optimizing your Google My Business page to the fullest extent, and that's something that you would need to do every month. And by doing that, you're going to pull up within a 2-hour radius of your service area, and like 30–40% of people are going to go right to your website or give you a call straight from here. So that would increase business tremendously just by doing that. So then going into the organics, we're going to look at your top competitor, which is Bronze Roofing, and I have their site pulled up. So here is theirs, and they do have a lot of content. So Google likes to see in between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content. So by implementing that on your site and doing the keywords in there, it's really going to help you get a leg up and start outranking them. So I put them into Ahrefs as well, and we're going to look over here first at the backlinks and the referring domains. So they have 489 backlinks coming from 190 referring domains. And if you're not sure what a backlink is, it's basically your website linked to another site pointing direction back at you. But not all backlinks are the same. So some are going to be spammy, and then some are going to have more authority. So when you go to get backlinks, you really want to go after sites that have a lot of trust with Google and are within the niche and relative to what you do. And that's really going to help your ranking as well. So they're coming up. Oh, real quick, actually, I want to just mention a good plan of action for you guys would be to match the amount of referring domains that they have, which is the 190, and beat them out by at least 100. So that's also going to help you to outrank them. Again, so they are coming up for 388 keywords. So we'll just take a peek at what those are real quick. So we have like roofing company in Houston. So there's 250 searches for that a month. Roofing Houston, 150. Houston, Texas roof, 150. Roof companies, Houston, 150. Roofer in Houston, 100. Roofing contractors, Houston, 150. So just right there, there's a lot of good examples of some good keywords that you could be optimizing, and they have a lot of volume. So once you start ranking for those keywords, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your site, and a percentage of that's going to give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, turning into a customer. So then lastly, I just want to touch on citations. And what a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages and Yelp. Google is basically a big popularity contest. So you really want to go and get as many as you can, and get your information out across the internet. And by doing that, you're going to increase your ranking with your Google My Business pages, and it will help your trust with Google. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I do hope this was helpful, and I would love to hear some feedback from you guys. Thank you so much.